Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials idea program. Now headline: Lovely dark and deep. Times of India. Canary in the canopy. The Hindu. India's steel frame does not need a check. Vinod Banu. Now headline in detail: Lovely dark and deep. Times of India. State of Forest report event taken at face value shows what's wrong. Pale male afforestation is not the answer. Health of forests is a critical indicator of the health of a nation. One that speaks it of its future is an elimination way a nation not alike to the work of studying it that forest is unconsciously deaf to climate change warnings. This is why India's state to forest reports draw so much attention. The latest one assures that 22% of the country has forest cover. It says 2.29 billion tons true additional carbon sink has already been reached relatively to poor Paris commitment of carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of CO2 equivalent through additional forest and tree cover by 2030. Expert are heatedly debating the reports of methodology choice, but even a straight reading of its data makes clear the equivalency is not an optional at all. Tripura has the worst affected. The report highlights that a rapid expansion of rubber plantation means they now cover 12% of the state geographical areas and 16% of its total forest areas. Rubber gives fast growing commercial bounty, but what that does it take away biodiversity and ecology balance? As the Sujan Simard book Finding the Mother Tree explains, life in old growth forest is infinitely richer, more resilient, more carbon decent, and still requiring great medical wisdom that we are yet to discover. She advised policymaker to focus research extraction whether it lost the already acquired. That the Tripura story is not unique. Several states continue to ride the compulsory afforestation band gaon pell-mell. One day we will surely repent, but what's being destroyed is beyond our ability to recreate. Canary in the canopy. The Hindu economic growth cannot be allowed to bypass environment laws. Through history, forests or humans have been sites of shelter, food, livelihoods, protection, and strength of spirit. According to the New India State of Forest Report 2023, 25% of India's land is covered by forest or trees. On its face, a healthy figure and a step closer to the national forest policy restriction, but big numbers always hide problems. Post-independence India's forest governance has been typified by attempt to break free from a European colonialist insular view of forest as source of timber confident codified in laws. The country inherited two significant achievements in this regard were the Forest Conservation Act 1980 and the Forest Rights Act 2006, the counteracting forest forces of industrial development and the pressures of climate change on the state have however troubled the implementation of both act, and the government has sadly chosen the easy way out. India's steel framework does not need a check. Precis- Persistent challenge within a Indian administration service and the wider bureaus have highlighting the urgent need for administrative reforms. Vinod Bhanu is the director of the for Legislative Research and Advocacy, New Delhi. India's governance challenges demand urgent reforms. The modernist in bureaucracy. The country economic story, which is marked by significant stride in growth and innovation, is juxtaposed with enduring issues of income equality, underenvironment in critical sector, and proliferating influence center of its narrative is the Indian Administrative Service (IAS), which has for long held away over the nation governance. However, persistent challenges within the IAS and the wider bureaucracy have highlighted the urgent need for administrative reforms to unlock India's true economic potential. A multi-factor approach to administrative reform is vital to address the challenge to India's bureaucracy requirement must pro- prioritize merit and domain expertise with promotion tied to measurable performance rather than seniority, protecting barriers from politically motivated transfers and fostering specialization in policy making roles would enhance accountability and efficiency. Further, the government should invest in a robust data infrastructure to track Venezuelan performance in valuing informed decisions on placement, promotion, promotion and policy involvement. Reform it is essential for India's economic expansion and ensuring government effectively serves its people. Thank you.